Hi, this is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the 25th Annual ROTH Conference at the Ritz-Carlton Hotel in Laguna Beach, California. I have with me Wendy Fraulo of OTC Markets, symbol OTCM, a publicly traded company. Wendy, thanks for coming on to SNNLive.
Shelley, thank you very much for having me.
Now, OTC Markets is a big story. It's a growing company. Give us an overview, if you would.
Sure. At OTC Markets Group, we have three main business lines. Our first is our trading service platform. We recently, in 2012, had our OTC Link LLC get our broker-dealer license. We now operate our trading platform underneath our OTC Link ATS operations, and so that's been a great success in 2012. In addition, we have our market data licensing business line, and really that's reselling our proprietary information that's generated from our OTC Link ATS trading platform. And then our third business line is our issuer services business line, and we have a wide range of great companies that are trading in the OTC space that have an opportunity to promote themselves on the platform. So it's a big company, three very strong business lines that we're very proud of.
So, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of the stocks that you follow, that you trade, are on the OTC markets, and let's give a website out because people like to go during interviews, believe it or not.
No, absolutely. OTCmarkets.com. We actually have a few different websites. We also have our OTCQX.com website and our OTCIQ.com website. So the three websites to get a lot of different kinds of information about all the different services that we provide our companies.
Now, what role do you play in the company?
So I'm our Chief Financial Officer, and I joined the company in July of 2011. So it's been an exciting 20 months for me having joined the company.
Well, it's pretty much where a lot of the over-the-counter stocks reside. I mean, you're looking at more financials than anybody else in the world, basically, right? I
mean, it's been amazing. When we talk about our issuer services business line, we have tiered the marketplace. So we have our QX tier. At the end of the year, we had about 400 companies on our QX tier. These are qualified companies that get validated by their sponsors, and they're great companies, foreign and domestic. We also have the QB tier, a lot of SEC reporting companies. Again, a lot of great companies in there. And then we have our pink tier, OTC pink tier, and it's really the open marketplace for a large variety of companies. So we've seen a lot of change in the space over the past 10 years. A lot more foreign companies have entered the marketplace.
I think that's been huge growth, because if you're a company that's listed on a foreign exchange and they're a reporting company, it's pretty simple to get an OTCQX listing, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, what we do is we try to make sure that there is a regulatory environment, but we're trying to make it as least complex as possible. So it's really, can we give companies an opportunity to promote themselves through a regulatory scope, but not a complicated regulatory scope. So it's an exciting opportunity. We have 1,500 ADRs in this space. We have 700 community banks in the space, a lot of SEC reporting companies, and a lot of amazing international companies. We have ROTH on our QX platform, Adidas, Lufthansa, Volkswagen.
Giant companies.
They're huge companies doing great things. So we're very excited to be able to promote them and that they could use our services. So it's fantastic.
So here's the big question. What's the growth? What area is going to provide OTC Markets its future growth?
Well, all of our three business lines are very strong. I mean, talking about 2012 specifically, most of our growth came from our issuer services business line. We had a 37% growth in QX companies. We added 86 companies. The increased revenue from our OTCQX subscriptions was 1.8 million of our 2.1 million growth. So that's where historically in 2011, 2012 growth has come from. But we're really excited to add some new index and securities on this space in 2013 and increase our distribution of our market data. So we're hoping our growth continues to come from all of our business lines, but it's exciting.
Micro cap companies thrive with an OTC listing. That much I can tell you.
Yeah, no, we're happy to be at ROTH, and it really promotes the kind of companies that can get a benefit from being traded on our platform and using our services. So we're happy to be here. I'm excited to present to the companies, to our own investors, and It's a good thing.
That should be interesting, huh? Anyway, let's get your website one more time.
Okay, it's www.otcmarkets.com.
I want to thank you for coming on. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. This is Wendy Fraulo of OTC Markets, symbol OTCM. We're at the 25th Annual ROTH Conference at the Ritz-Carlton in Laguna Beach, California. Thanks so much, Wendy, for coming on.
Thank you, Shelley. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.